Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about Drop and Pop. Now this is by Brendan Mace and it was released on the 4th of August. Now this is a product that's basically a product that takes other people's videos and tries to profit from them, which seems to be the current trend. So this is a weird trick that it makes us $500 per hour, which I very much doubt it does. And it works with any affiliate product without ever promoting it. Now on this one, it makes us commissions on autopilot. You have zero selling or traffic needed, so you don't need any traffic. Unlimited cash potential, works great even for internet dummies or people that want to steal other people's work. It's a lot of fun and it builds an evergreen business as you go, which runs 24/7. So guys, these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one. And as a paid customer, this is an honest review, which is different from 99% of the reviews that you're going to see on this particular product. Now, if you're interested in hearing these types of reviews, go ahead and hit subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're serious about building a business online and want to learn affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. So guys, let's jump straight into the product. Now, unfortunately, this product is not working for me. I've looked at some of the other reviews, which must be based on the JV version of this, and this is my own copy here. Basically, this doesn't work. The campaign piece here, which is where you're supposed to set up your campaigns, isn't working. And basically, the extensive training on here is a video on YouTube. Now, guys, what the overall process here is, they're ripping videos from YouTube, putting them on a page like the you see here, and they're just adding a few graphics on here, and you can go ahead and add your affiliate link. So if I just go over to YouTube itself, I'm going to show you certain bits of this video so it gives you an idea what's happening here, because unfortunately I can't build one of these because the software doesn't work. So just put it on full screen. Now basically you see here, if I go over to new campaigns and I enter a keyword, it's going to bring all the different types of videos up that have got that keyword. So if you put something like beast funnels up, which I'll show you in a second, it's going to bring everybody who did a review on beast funnels. And you can basically click on that and then make a landing page. So what you see here, the first example they give is one-page profits, and they basically got all of these different videos that you can use with one-page profits. That's my review there of one-page profits. If you try and click on any of these, you can quite happily have my videos to share. If you want to try and make money with somebody who's saying it's absolute rubbish, then carry on. So the idea is you've got those YouTube video. Now you can also add your own. You can add an intro and an outro to it, which doesn't mean you can actually use it, by the way. And then you go ahead and you pick one of these templates, which isn't actually a template where you can opt into at all. It's just a template where it's going to overlay this. And then there's a section here where you put the campaign name, you put some kind of heading on it, and then you can put your affiliate link, which displays in a button underneath the template. There is no connection here to any kind of autoresponders, guys. This is just a basic page they give you. And then lastly, what happens is you get a page like this to actually share to others. And that's basically what it is. Now, I do notice that these videos inside the page are still connected to YouTube. So at any point, somebody could just bounce straight out of this page back to the YouTube and then actually watch this video with the person who actually created this and took the time to actually make a review so that they can get some kind of credit for it. So guys, that's the overall idea here. If you look at the second example they give in this view, it's actually beast funnels. And then he actually uses one of my videos to try and create one of these pages. So if I just go to this piece here, he's going to create one of these pages with my video. Now, you'd think I'd probably get cross with that, right? And you'd think, oh, somebody's stealing your video and trying to make money with it, which they are, right? In all intents and purposes, whether you're allowed to embed videos on somebody else's page, you're still nicking their work to try and take the credit from them. Now, what kind of intrigues me is that all of these folks now on YouTube are actually saying that this is a good idea. Now, for people like John O and all of them guys, they don't give a toss because they don't care, because they're too big. They'll make money whatever happens. But some of these other folks who actually John O teaches are going to actually be affected by this. Any commissions they get could be taken away straight away if anybody was successful with this. The only kind of caveat to that I will say is that when I come back to this page, the traffic they give, which by the way, there's not supposed to be any traffic. Let's just read this again so I get this clear. Zero selling or traffic needed. So then I come back here, and what is the traffic button here for? If I press on get traffic, oh, it's social media sites. So I'll still need to get traffic with those social media sites. So guys, I jump back to the demo again because obviously the software is not working. These are the social media sites that allows you to share it to. So the idea is you build a campaign, you go ahead and you select that campaign, and you can go ahead and share it to these social media sites. Well, obviously that is traffic then, because that's free traffic over to the page. And the other issue is if you've got no following on any of these social media sites, you will not get any traffic back to these links, which is kind of why I'm not that bothered about this product. This is the same kind of product that's come out multiple times recently, where they're ripping people's videos off YouTube and then saying that you don't have to do any work and you could just go ahead and profit. And the reality is, you carry on, guys, because you're not going to get any traffic off my videos. 99% of my videos on Warrior Plus products are negative anyway because they're not any good. But you're not going to get any traffic from this kind of social media site, so I don't really care, to be quite honest. I think the integrity of having this type of business is rock bottom. I don't think it's a very clever way to run a business at all. But to be honest, if you're the type of person who's going to do this, then you're not the type of person I want subscribing to my channel. So guys, you know, this is basically the product, and the issue with the product is that it plainly does not work. I have tried all of my pop-ups. I've tried different browsers at the moment. I've tried different ways to make this work, and at the moment I just can't do it. But for the purposes of this review, guys, it doesn't really matter because you've seen exactly what you're supposed to do here. You have a one page with a YouTube video in it that's not yours, and you try and share it to all of those different types of traffic in those sites, and that's basically it. So guys, let's look at the OTOs because this is quite astonishing. The front end is $12.93. I actually got this for nearly $16. Apparently you only get 20 uses on the front end of this, and then you run out. You have to buy the unlimited edition for $67. Now each one of these has got a downsell to it, so $67 down to $47. OTO 2 is done for you edition at $197, and then immediately if you click off that, it gives you $100 off. So you'd be pretty peeved if you went and spent $200 on that. So you can see that's $97. OTO 3 done for you leads and swipes, $197 down to $97. OTO 4 is Limitless Traffic, $197 down to $97. And OTO 5 is license rights for everything, $167 down to $97. Guys, somebody could actually pay nearly $800-900 for this, and it's absolutely worthless. So guys, I'm obviously going to give this a 0 out of 10. The integrity of people that use this type of software is completely rock bottom for me, and I'm really surprised because these guys don't care about their fellow marketers either. There's lots of people that they actually train themselves to do marketing that this could potentially affect, because people are just going to try and nick their videos and go and make money off them themselves rather than do the right thing and try and make your own review videos. But as far as I'm concerned, guys, there's no emotion here. I'm not that bothered because my videos are all negative for these types of products, so you're not going to make any money off me. So guys, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you found this video useful, go ahead and give me a like and hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.